Hey guys, today we want to talk about a grape wine. A grape wine it comes in five parts. A grape has got a skin, the outer cover. It's got a solid, which we call it the part that hold the juice. It consists of a seed. That seed can be used for the oil, and also it consists of the stem. Is the one that transport the water, the nutrients to the bulb. And when they produce, they make champagne. They really press the grape and leave out the seeds, the stem, the outer skin. Then when they make a dry wine, they they press and crush and soak it in the water so that it can gain the color to contact with the skin of a grape. That is why um, the dry wine is more healthy, because it's not only the juice. It consists of the stem, the solid, the seeds, the skin in the wine. So the pulp, the skin, stem, seeds is often referred as the mast. So if we check it very well, grapes are food that can be used for making wine, and each seed can be used to make oil. And then the nutrition is energy, it's sugar, it's fat, protein, vitamins. And then the grape itself, it consists of the minerals, calcium, iron, magnesium, sodium, zinc, and the other consists, which is water. Grapes colors can be crimson, black, a dark blue, yellow, green, orange, and pink. White grapes are actually green in color. Nutrition: 81% of a grape is water. Then 18% is carbohydrates, and 1% is protein, and another 1%, which is fat, the distribution and production of grapes: 71% of wild grape production is used for wine. 27% is used as fresh food, which is they eat. Then the 2% they use it for the base, the raisins, which is a dried food. So a grape it makes a wine, a juice, and its seed can be used for a oil. So the grapes, it depend where the grapes are being farmed. If it can be farmed with a poor soil, obviously the grapes won't be nice at all. So it has to be well maintained to be the real thing, to come up with a nice wine. Thank you. I end here.